Okay, so we've got a couple more students we're still waiting on, but we'll go ahead and get started because Anca here from Trifan Events. So you presented at what event was that?
It was Women in Leadership at Boise Center.
One of my employees, Jessica.
Yeah, she actually joined that. That's
Yeah,
right.
she loved her presentation and was like, "We should really try to get her for the class." So here she is, and she's got
In
a presentation
flesh and bones.
Yeah. Yep. Got a presentation for us. So yeah, we'll just go ahead and get started.
I want to give you some opportunities to take it maybe to the next level, especially when it comes to your future, to your career. You're going to get out there, depends where you are right now in your student journey, but you're going to get out there into the real world and you're going to have to prove that what you learn in school, it's applicable to the real life. And right now, in the last few, 10, 11 months, we have had this revolutionary craziness happening in our world, which is being AI. And unless you lived under a rock, you don't know what that is, but really it's been impacting business, it's been impacting our productivity, it's been impacting everything that we